What's going on guys, CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to tag your videos. So what I'm going to do is simply upload a random video. Now this is just going to be my intro. Obviously I'm not going to make it public because there's no need to, so I'm putting it private for now. But these are our tags right here. Now let's say this video, for example, will be on Premiere Pro. And let's say it's how to color correct. So how to color correct in Premiere Pro. So the title's all good. Of course you would capitalize it, but this isn't about the title, it's about the tags. Now the tags are the most important thing to get you on the search board. Now you can see over to the side here, there's something called SEO score. Now you won't have this just yet. So this, everything you're seeing on the side in this area and everything you're seeing underneath the tags, you will not see. So what this is, it's a program called VidIQ. So you're going to need VidIQ to see that data, and you can see there is a free version, but there's also these other plans as well. Now thanks to my network, I believe we have the enterprise one, so my network has given me basically this for free. So how this works, well, you want to get the SEO score as high as you can, meaning you want to get it close to 50. So there's a couple of ways I want to show you how to tag your video. Now you don't need VidIQ. The reason I say VidIQ is good, you can see a SEO score, but there's also another way. So what we're going to do, we're going to come up to Keyword Inspector, and from here we're just going to type in the title of our video. So mine is how to color correct in Premiere Pro, and I'm going to select search. Now as you can see, related keywords. This has given us tags related to the title we have just given. So these are also good keywords which are going to get more views. So we'll put Premiere Pro color correction, Premiere Pro color correction tutorial. Now I also don't want you to go wild picking every single tag you see. Pick ones which relate to your video and ones which are pretty specific. For example, how to color grade, Lumetri color tutorial, color grading tutorial, and then you just go through. And then you can also come down and you can see these three arrows, and there is more options here. Now I'm just going to add these on, and we'll see. After this I'm going to X out of it. SEO score has gone to 330.8. Now you'll also see if we come down, our tags are at 396 characters out of 500. We want to maximize this, so we want to get it close to 500 or exactly on 500. That means there's more room to add on. So then we can come back to the keyword search. This time we can put a title which is related to our video. So the title is how to color correct in Premiere Pro, but what we can put is Premiere Pro film looks. So that's obviously going to involve color correcting. So we press search. As you can see, we get a bit more different options here. So we can just add them on, and I'll stay there. I'm going to X out of it. You can see we're at 508. We put the score up to 31.5. What I'm now going to do is X out of CasualSavage. As you can see, we're now at 495, and them tags are good to go. If you didn't know, you can only have a maximum of 500 characters in your tags. So our SEO score is at 30.7. Now you can see it's not the best, and if we come down, you can see right here it tells us what we're not doing good at. So tripled keywords, 1 out of 5. Keywords in the description, 2 out of 5. So this is the description here. We haven't added anything. I usually have mine at the default, so if I just copy and paste the title there, I believe it is the first 2 lines on YouTube of your description that will appear and will help towards the SEO. So although that hasn't gone up, this has also helped. Now another way you can tag videos. So I'm going to clear all this. That's one way. That's using VidIQ, obviously not 100% free. So now I'm going to be showing you a free way. So our video is how to color correct in Premiere Pro. So all I'm going to do is put how to color correct. As you can see, Premiere Pro comes up. I'm going to press Ctrl A, Ctrl C, paste this in. I'm then going to press space. As you can see, we get more tags. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And you can see you can just go through these tags now, or these titles. These titles are listed near towards the top because they are being searched. So I'm going to pick this one as well, and you can see there's not really many coming from there. So now I'm going to put I'll actually put Premiere Pro, as you can see, tutorial, and you just keep going through like this. Again, make sure they are related to your video, don't just rub random tags because they're close to what you want. So Premiere Pro color grading, and then we can add space. As you can see, we now get a bunch more, and you can already see the SEO score is at 31, so we're doing pretty good so far. And I'm going to keep going like this. So we got the SEO to 31.6. What we can then do is again reword. So we can put film looks in Premiere. Not a very popular search, so what we do, let's put it backwards. Premiere Pro film looks. Yep, there you go. So then film look, we'll copy paste this one in, and we'll go again. Film look tutorial, copy and paste that one in. You can see we're currently at 483. So this one I'll put Premiere. Oh, actually I'll just put film look effects. So that's one I just entered myself. And that is actually over as well, so we'll have to X out of that, and that's the closest we can get. But you can see that's 31.6, and that is just in the tags. Of course you would put all your description and of course have a nice title and a nice thumbnail. Now there's one more way I'm going to be showing you, and this way I'm going to be showing you, you can consider the lazy way, and you'll see why when I show you. So I'm going to have this linked in the description. It's called Rapid Tags. Now some of you may have or may not have heard of it, and this is going to save you a lot of times in terms of tags. So what you would simply do, you can see it says video title. So our video title is how to color correct in Premiere Pro. So press search. As you can see, it's just given us a bunch of tags to use. We can then select copy tags. It says copied. We come back to our video, we press Ctrl V, all of them get pasted in. And as you'll see, look at that, SEO score is bang on 50. Incredible. Just like that, you can see tag count, tag volume, keywords in title, keywords in description, tripled keywords, 5 out of 5 for everything. So this is a really high quality tagged video. So what exactly does this mean? Well, it means if someone was to search how to color correct in Premiere Pro, this could potentially be on the first page. Now it can also be, you can see if we look at the tags, Premiere Pro color correction. If someone searches that, this video will appear. If someone searches how to color grade, again this video. And as you'll see, Premiere Pro color grading, that will also appear. So like I said, it does make you kind of lazy because it's really that simple. Now, not all the time you're going to find that they give you the best tags, and not all the time you're actually going to find that they have tags available. So for example, if you're doing a Minecraft video and you title it like Minecraft Skywars 2v2 360 no scope or something like that, and you try and search that into here, I'll actually type that for you. Now I know this is a complete random title, but let's say you can see there's not enough tags, and that's all it gives you. So if you do have a crazy title, which is obviously going to be unique, then, and I'm just going to use Minecraft as an example. I was editing a video earlier for Minecraft, not for me, client work. So I'll type in Minecraft, and obviously the game is Skywars, so I'll put Minecraft Skywars, press search. These are the best tags for that. I'm going to press copy tags, and I'll press Ctrl V. Brings us to 14.7, terrible. Maybe we can just type in Minecraft. We can copy these tags. We can clear all of these ones. Press Ctrl V now. As you can see, that has given us 0. So, absolutely terrible. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because that website done really good for this video. It's not always going to be good. So don't get lazy thinking you can always come to this website as your solution for tags. Take the time to put in tags. They are the most important thing to get your video up in the search, and it is really simple. You can use maybe a few of these tags, see how your SEO does. If it doesn't do well, then of course just change them up and do the other way I showed you from searching up here. And again, you also have the keyword search inspector for VidIQ, and you can just search it here. But that's how you tag your videos on YouTube, and I hope this tutorial has been useful.